create a new Google form. If you want to weight these things differently, you would send out different forms to each grade. Each grade would go into a different spreadsheet, would go into their own spreadsheet, and you can weight them differently at that point. But let's say this is going out to one specific grade. Rank your favorite teacher. It is going to be a multiple choice grid. In rows, I'm going to have first choice, second choice, and third choice. If you have 5 candidates, you're going to have 5 choices. 3 candidates, 3 choices. In the columns, I'm going to put Ruffini and Robinson, Scruton. Down here, require a response in each row. Yes. So do something like that. People would fill them out. I would keep track of who gets them. So when we send this, and then I'm going to go to my responses. Cool that. I want this to go into a spreadsheet, right? Create a new spreadsheet. Good. And great. We have all the responses. Ruffini, Robinson, Scruton right here. If this is equal to Ruffini, put a 3 here. Or else the next one's equal to Ruffini, put a 2. Or else if the last one is equal to Ruffini, put a 1. And I could just repeat that for Robinson. So I'm just going to copy everything after the equals and just replace Ruffini with Robinson. Copy all that over to here. Equals, just replace that with Scruton. And if we fill that down, equals sum. We know how many points each person gets. Right, so Robinson wins, Ruffini comes in second. Scruton loses. That's the Borda count. The question is, who has the biggest number here? We're going to compare Ruffini to Robinson. Who prefers Ruffini to Robinson? And then we'll look at who prefers Robinson to Ruffini. If Ruffini is greater than Robinson, we will count it. Otherwise, we won't for a 0. Okay, very simple. We count how many people prefer Ruffini to Robinson. And then we do the opposite. We count how many prefer Robinson. We're just going to switch that to the opposite way around. Put an equals in front of it and fill that down. Do a count. More people prefer Robinson to Ruffini. So we don't need to compare Ruffini to Scruton. So Robinson wins that one. We're going to compare Robinson to Scruton now. And then we'll compare Scruton to Robinson. I'm just going to go copy the code from this one. We're comparing if G3 is greater than H3. Fill that down. Copy that. And we're going to compare H3 to G3. Command R. If H3 is greater than G3. Bing. How many? All right, we can compare 3 prefer Ruffini to Robinson, 4 prefer Robinson to Ruffini. So Robinson wins. Then in the Robinson versus Scruton, 6 prefer Robinson, 1 prefers Scruton. Robinson wins again. Okay, so Robinson wins overall. And that is the Condorcet method.